this is a microwave explosion.
Microwave explosion, take one.
Fire in the hole. That took a long time for that last piece to fall.
Well, there's the bottom of it. There's that piece that took forever to fall. That must be the top. Wow. I had 20 pounds of old sausage in that thing.
Look how heavy this thing is. Unreal heavy. And look how far it blew it.
Only a couple feet.
Yep, yeah, about 10 feet.
Ah. Well, there's none of the sausage survived the explosion. Maybe I should have left it frozen. Of course, that's all we need. A local YouTuber killed by frozen sausage explosion that hit him in the head. Wow, makes me want to go out and buy another microwave. Of course, that one was broken pretty much from a week into getting it. Hold on, here's the keypad. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it says done.
It's done?
No. But it should. It should say done. Oh wait, no, here it is. I found it. Hamilton Beach microwaves. In my opinion, they're good for just blowing up because they don't last long or cook your food very well.